What is server virtualization? Server virtualization is a technology that allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical server. This is achieved using specialized software called a hypervisor, which separates the hardware from the operating systems and applications. Each virtual server, known as a virtual machine VM, behaves like a separate physical device with its own CPU, memory, storage, and operating system. How it works? At the core of server virtualization is a hypervisor, which can be of two types. Type 1 bare metal hypervisor is installed directly on the physical hardware, e.g., VMware ESG Microsoft Hyper-V KVM. Type 2 hosted hypervisors run on top of a host operating system, e.g., VMware Workstation, Oracle VirtualBox. The hypervisor allocates physical resources to each VM, allowing multiple operating systems and applications to run independently on the same hardware. Benefits of server virtualization: improved resource utilization. Traditional servers often use only a fraction of their capacity. Virtualization allows better use of CPU, memory, and storage by sharing resources among VMs. Cost savings. Fewer physical servers mean lower hardware, power, cooling, and maintenance costs. Scalability and flexibility. New VMs can be quickly deployed to meet business demands without purchasing new hardware. Disaster recovery and high availability. VMs can be easily backed up, moved, or restored, enabling faster recovery during hardware failure or disaster. Isolation. Problems in one VM do not affect others, increasing system stability and security. Use cases. Data centers. Maximize hardware utilization and simplify management. Testing and development. Create isolated environments for software testing without affecting production. Cloud computing. Many cloud services are built on virtualized servers, offering scalable resources to users. Challenges. Despite its advantages, server virtualization has some challenges. Performance overhead. Running multiple VMs can strain hardware if not properly managed. Complex management. Requires tools and expertise to manage virtual environments effectively. Licensing issues. Software licensing in virtualized environments can be more complex. Conclusion. Server virtualization transforms how IT infrastructure is built and managed. By enabling multiple virtual servers on a single physical machine, it increases efficiency, reduces costs, and supports modern IT practices like cloud computing and DevOps. For businesses aiming to optimize resources and improve agility, server virtualization is a key foundational technology.